Whether you are just a beginner or a professional, Vim can boost your productivity 10 times from now. And if you can master Vim, that 10% can be increased to 50, 60, and even 100. So in this video, we will see some basic but very powerful uses of Vim. So to use Vim, first we have to install Vim. Package install Vim. Now to start using Vim, execute Vim. To start writing, press I key on your keyboard and now you will be in insert mode where you can write the stuff. To get out of insert mode, use escape key. To save the file, use :W and enter. Oh, we didn't give name to our file. So use :W and give name to your file and enter. Now to use these colon commands, you should be in normal mode. If you are not sure about it, it is always better to use escape key before using colon. To exit, use :Q bang and enter. To save and exit, use :WQ bang and enter. To open a file with Vim, use Vim and name of the file. If you are working on a project, then use Vim and specify the project directory. Now you can easily navigate between different files or folders in your project directory. You can use H, J, K, L as arrow keys. H for left, J for bottom, K for top and L for right. To go at the top of the file, use GG and capital G to go at the bottom of the file. To delete letters after the cursor, use X key or use DD to delete the entire line. If you did it by mistake, just use U undo. If undo was mistake, use Ctrl R to redo. Suppose you want to go to this word, just use slash and the word and you are there. And if you are searching for a word and you can't find it, use :/ and the word you are searching for. To search and replace the word, use :S/ and the word you are searching for / and the replace word. To do same for all the same word, use G at the end. To copy a line, use YY. To paste something from clipboard, use P. You can even split tabs in Vim. Use Ctrl WV to split vertically and Ctrl WS to split horizontally. To switch between those tabs, use Ctrl WW. If you want to know the number of lines, use : set number and enter. To turn on syntax highlighting, use : syntax on. Want to use this every time? Put them in Vim RC file. First open it, then put the configuration here. We will do two which we did earlier. Set number and syntax on. And now if you open a file, look, syntax highlighting and the number of lines is on. If you are new to Vim, execute Vim tutor. I'll just use : help in Vim. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.